where my clothes didn't fit the same and everything like that.
And season 1 this happened?
Yeah, around season 1.
Turn left.
You know, you get comfortable when you're working and stuff like that. And I remember thinking, you know, wow, I guess I look big on camera.
It's always nice to spoil the Riddler's plans. Good work out there.
Alright. No, but you've got a built-in Marvel audience. This movie has no mega celebrities in it.
Yeah, but it's Nolan, man. I mean,
No, I know. Chris Nolan is his own enterprise. Don't get me wrong. I get it. But it's got to be the most amount of money spent on an original.
Do you think? But it might have not been the option he wanted.
Yeah.
As in one of the big four. If it was one of the big four, the temptation might have been there, but it's obviously not been the big four. I speak to Gordon, who's a Villa fan. Hi, Gordon.
Hi, Adrian.
Hi, what do you want to say?
It's going under the radar. There's something going on at Villa that other teams and other like pundits and media, they're not realising. We were in a torrid position 2 years ago after the playoff final against Fulham. We were in an absolutely devastating position financially, and we managed to survive by getting some big owners in. But the problem was, we were really under the constraints of FFP. We had no ability to spend. We had a squad of loan deals.
Aubameyang is so lucky to be surrounded about this quality player that make him like a top player. He's a top player, of course, but we don't need to be focused just in Aubameyang. He's totally top player. We respect them, respect him, but I think we don't need to be focused just on him. We need to be focused on
Right, and then turn left.
What the fuck?
Turn left.
That was late. She's still gonna get him a card.
She didn't want to buy you nothing.
I said to Joelle, I'm the favorite daughter now. Here we go. No, so I can't remember who started watching the show first, if it was my dad.
Oh, I'm sorry. You have a stethoscope on. You have a stethoscope?
Nope, this is my braid, but this is my name badge with my skull.
Okay, are you a doctor or are you a...
I'm not. I'm a EMT phlebotomist combo. I'm calling from the office right now. I'm hiding in the break room.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for all this.
That's it, love. Just this massive fucking space here. But you're just still clocking on down the road, aren't you? Fucking move! Move! Move!
Like a genuine social experiment.
Yeah, exactly.
There was intrigue, there was drama.
Absolutely.
It was genuinely great hypnotic television.
now it's like putting ants in a jar and shaking
I
it.
don't know what's. But even there, I couldn't watch that once a night every week.
No, I know.
It's just.
It is unbelievable what.
In the middle of a scene? Then why the fuck are you walking right through? Like this in the background. What the fuck is it with you?
obviously, but then they put players in.
What don't you fucking understand?
You're literally sometimes just waiting for the ball to come over the wall, and then you have to react. But with the pace and the whip on the balls, it's too late.
We'll help you find the right cover for your car, home, bike, van, taxi and business. Visit swinton.co.uk.
In the West Midlands, the lane is closed for recovery work on the northbound side of the M6. Between junction 6, around by Spaghetti Junction to junction 7 at Great Bar, it's blocking the inside lane. Bedfordshire, the M1 southbound, and the lane is closed between Flitwick at junction 12 and junction 11A at Dunstable. That is because of recovery work. In Kent on the M25 at Q's.